So we are discussing about the quartile that is comes under the median. This is also a type of a to find out the median. This is one or the medium. You can see. So median is a value which splits the series into the two equal parts. Similarly, there are other positional values which divided a series in a number of parts. The most common positional value beside median are quartiles. Means we have to divide the series into the quarters. So for one quarter, two quarter, and three quarter is the mean. Here we can discuss about that. Quartile first. Quartiles divide a series into the four equal parts. For any series, there will be three quartiles as shown in the following here in the on the screen. So the first quartile, the first lower size, you can say that is Q1. That is we are denoted by the Q1. It is known as a lower quartile is the value of the variable below which there is a 25% of the observation and above which there are 75% of the observations. So you can say in the Q1 divides the distribution in such a way for the 1/4 of the total item to fall below it and the 3/4 fall above it. So likewise that in the second quartile that is denoted by Q2, it has already that it is known as a middle quartile or a median is the value of the variable variance which divides in the distribution into two equal parts. It means there are 50% of the observation above it and 50% of the observation below it. And now we were discussing about the third quartile. It is also called the upper quartile. It is denoted by Q3. It is known as the upper quartile and its values vary below which there is a 75% of observation and the above which there is a 25% of the observation. So we will compute the quartile according to that. So here is the formula of Q1, Q2 and Q3. How to find out the Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1 size of n plus 1 divided by 4. N is for the size of the things that is given in the question. And then what we have to do, then the 2.5 item, whatever the answer comes, we have to see the item number that in the series. So let us see this with the help of example. From the following data, calculate the first and the third quartile. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 are the marks. Number of students are given here. Under the observation, we can say that calculation of the cumulative frequencies. First of all, so marks are given here, then the number of students are given, then we have to prepare the cumulative frequency. After that, what we have to do if we want to find out the Q1. So size n plus 1 divided by 4. So what is this n? N is equals to 180. You can see like that in the table. N is equals to 180. So 180 plus 1 divided by 4 means 181 divided by 4 means we got the answer 45.25. So the size of the 45.25 is 25. You can see like that. 25 here. 45 into 25, it comes here. Just see, 25 comes, the size of 45.25 is 25th item, because we can see here that it comes under the 30. So 30 means here 45 into 30 is less than that. then 60 is more than 110. So the nearest value of the 45.5 is equals to 60. So we can say that max is 25 is there. Next, if you want to find out the Q3, so again 3 equals 3 and plus 1 divided by 4. So 181 into 3 divided by 4 we can, so we got the answer 135, and 135 Q3 is 45. So 135 you can say like that here. So the nearest value of 135 is 150. 110 is less, 180 is very far away from that. So nearest value of the 135 is equals to 150, and its class value is 45 marks. So you can say like that, it will be 40. So this is the way to find out the quartile 1 and quartile 3.